Welcome back to another video, and today I have, that's right, a fidget spinner. And at Walgreens, from where I live, they told us that we were lucky because at 6:30 there were gonna be no more, so we're really lucky. Here's my brother.
Hey guys.
Now sit down, sit down and do the thing. So let's do me and my brother are gonna have a contest. Okay, hold on guys. Alright, ready, set, and go.
Wait. Go.
I think I'm gonna win.
This time I'm gonna win, I think.
Alright.
Okay, do it like this.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh. No. Yes.
Yes.
I'm winning.
No, you're not.
Wait, who's winning?
It's me.
Okay, do it like this. Like, I see you're slowing down.
I see you're slowing down. Oh, it's mine actually.
Let's see who's gonna win. Annie.
And
He lost.
He lost.
No, wait,
I
let's
win.
do it again. Let's do it again.
All right.
Wait,
Hold on.
Oh,
wait, dude. Okay.
3, 2.
Oh wait, no. Let's put it this way. Okay. So 3. Wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. I don't want to show my face right now.
Oh no.
Oh, I see you're slowing down. Oh yeah.
Oh god.
Oh yeah, yours is slowing down.
Oh no. Wait, let's start all over.
No, I win then.
3, 2, 1. I'll wait.
Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1. And you can balance it on your thumb.
I know. I'm trying to switch. I know how to sneak. Wait.
And you can do it this way. Oh wait, hold on. It hit my finger. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, and go subscribe to
DJ Cool Party, yo.
Bye. Oh gosh.
Do Fidget Spinner Part 2.
Fidget spinner.
Do another.